Choose cleaning supplies that deliver professional results, protect staff and surfaces, and support profitable operations. For commercial office cleaning supply purchasing and product selection, start by prioritizing commercial-grade formulations designed for frequent use and larger surface areas because they maintain effectiveness and reduce labor time. Evaluate material safety data sheets to confirm that products have appropriate safety profiles and approved active ingredients for the tasks you assign them, while noting contact time, dilution ratios, and personal protective equipment requirements. Match product form to the workflow so concentrates and refillable systems lower packaging waste and cost per use, while ready-to-use bottles save time for quick spot cleaning. For floor care, use low odor, fast-drying sealers, and finishes to minimize downtime. Buy in bulk from suppliers that offer consistent batch information and clear return policies to lock in savings and predictable stocking. Calculate use rates by measuring square footage and average visits per week to avoid overstocking. Standardize on color-coded cloths and mop systems to prevent cross-contamination between restrooms, kitchens, and workstations, and train staff with short step-by-step protocols for dilution, dwell time, and sequence of operations. Track product performance with simple metrics such as time per task, customer feedback, and product consumption to adjust purchasing volumes and switch products that underperform. Common mistakes include choosing residential products because they cost less, which leads to more frequent rework and faster consumption. The fix is to calculate total cost of ownership by factoring durability, coverage, and labor hours before making buying decisions. Another issue is poor training on dilution and dwell time, which reduces disinfection effectiveness and risks complaints. Provide concise hands-on demonstrations, visible mixing guides, and label everything with clear instructions. Lastly, inconsistent supply chain choices cause last-minute substitutions that damage reputation and workflow. Maintain preferred vendor relationships, keep a safety stock equal to 1 extra full week of supplies, and document acceptable alternates. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for office fit-out maintenance and larger cleaning projects, and we also provide resources for contractors seeking steady work in commercial cleaning. We host a discussion community where we and others share buying tips, product experiences, and vendor recommendations to help both sides make smarter choices.